seeing theoretical part in mathematical logic. Today we will see the solution of exercise 1.1, means solution of first exercise in mathematical logic. In exercise 1.1, first type example there are 15 example. पहिल्या टाइप मध्ये 15 एक्झाम्पल आहेत. या 15 एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय करायचं कॅल्क्युलेशन आपल्याला पहा. We have to state which of the following sentences are statements. म्हणजे आपल्याला 15 सेंटेन्स मध्ये कोणते स्टेटमेंट आहेत हे आपल्याला सांगायचे. Then we have to justify your answer. We have to justify our answer if given sentence is not statement. In case of statement, जर ते सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट असेल तर आपल्याला त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू लिहायची. जर स्टेटमेंट असेल तर ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू लिहायची, नसेल तर जस्टिफाय करायचं. कशामध्ये जस्टिफाय करायचं तर 15 एक्झाम्पल आहेत. 5 नुसार आपण त्याचे ग्रुपिंग नुसार सोल्युशन पाहणार आहोत. So first of all we will see solution of first 5 examples simultaneously. Solution. Now our first sentence is 5 plus 4 equal to 13. 5 plus 4 equal to 13, and we know that this is in terms of equation. 5 plus 4 we know that 9 left side will be 9, right side will be 13, but 9 is not equal to 13. But this sentence is a statement. हे सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट आहे पण इक्वल नाही. इक्वल व्हॅल्यू नसल्यामुळे याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आपली जी आहे ती फॉल्स असणार आहे. तेव्हा आपल्या याचं सोल्युशन कशा पद्धतीने लिहायचं की फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल टू कन्सिडर दॅट धिस सेंटेन्स इज अ स्टेटमेंट. कारण याची ट्रूथ किंवा फॉल्सिटी आपल्याला सांगता आली, त्यामुळे हे आपलं सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट आहे. मग आपण सोल्युशन लिहिणार आहोत. पहिले याचं गिवन सेंटेन्स इज अ statement. Given sentence is a statement, comma त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू काय, ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे. 5 plus 4 equal to 13 आहे का, नाही. म्हणून त्याला आपल्याला लिहिता येते इट कॅन बी रिटन ॲज which is false. Therefore its truth value is capital F. Its value is capital F. This is solution of first example. Similarly, we will see the solution of second example. Now, in second example, x minus 3 equal to 14 is here. Now, x is variable. If we change the value of x, then this equality sometimes hold. For one value only this equality hold, for other values this equality does not hold. Suppose that if we substitute value of x ची व्हॅल्यू आपण जर 1 सबस्टिट्यूट केली तर 1 minus 3 minus 2 equal to 14 आहे का, नाही. म्हणजे काही वेळेस ही ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आपली फॉल्स व्हायली आणि एकाच वेळेस ही ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आपली होल्ड होणार आहे. कधी, ज्यावेळेस x ची व्हॅल्यू 17 असेल. If x equal to 17, then 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 equal to 14. Therefore, this equation, this sentence, sometimes it has truth value true or sometimes it has truth value false, depending upon the value of x. Means we cannot say at this moment what is value of x. Therefore, we cannot find out this truth or falsity of this sentence. Therefore, this given sentence is a open sentence. Given sentence in second solution, given sentence is an we have to write is an open sentence. Is an open sentence, comma, therefore it is not statement, comma, it is not a statement. It is not a statement. This is solution of second example. Now third example, close the door. Close the door. It is an imperative sentence. आज्ञार्थी वाक्य आहे, त्यामुळे ते सेंटेन्स आपलं स्टेटमेंट होणार. गिवन सेंटेन्स, I will write solution as given sentence is an imperative sentence. Therefore, it is not a statement. स्टेटमेंट नसल्यामुळे याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सांगण्याची आवश्यकता नाहीये. नाउ we'll see solution of fourth example. 0 is a complex number. 0 हे एक कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबर आहे, त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला सांगता येणार ट्रू आहे म्हणून, त्यामुळे हे सेंटेन्स आपलं स्टेटमेंट होणार आहे. सोल्युशन ऑफ फोर्थ एक्झाम्पल विल बी गिवन सेंटेन्स is a statement. Given sentence is a statement, comma, which is, comma, we will write here truth value, which is true. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. True असेल तर capital T ने truth value लिहायची, false असेल तर capital T. Solution झालं फोर्थचं. Fifth example, please get me breakfast. It is again an imperative sentence. Therefore, we have to write given sentence is an imperative sentence. Imperative sentence. Therefore, it is not a statement. This is solution of 5 examples. Now, after seeing solution of 5 examples, now next 5 examples are, in 6th example is congruent triangles are also similar. This is true or false? Congruent triangles are always similar. Therefore, this sentence is a statement which is true and its truth value is capital T. जे एकरूप त्रिकोण हे समरूप असतो, हे समरूप असतात, त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला या बाबतीत सांगता येईल की गिवन सेंटेन्स is a statement. म्हणजे ट्रूथ किंवा फॉल्सिटी आपल्याला सांगता येईल. गिवन सेंटेन्स इज अ स्टेटमेंट which is true or false, which is true. Therefore, its truth value is capital T. Its truth value is capital T. This is solution of 6th example and 6th sentence. Now, 7th sentence is x square equal to x. If values of x we take different, if x value of x is 1, then 1 square 1 equal to 1. This is true. And value of x is suppose 2, then 2 square is 4. 4 is not equal to 2. Therefore, this will be false. Sometimes this sentence is true, sometimes it is false. Therefore, it is an open sentence. Therefore, we have to write here given sentence. 7th sentence, given sentence is an open sentence. Given sentence is an open sentence. Therefore, there is no need to write truth value. Given sentence is an open sentence. Therefore, it is not sentence. It is not statement. It is not statement. This is solution of 7th example. Now 8 number sentence is, a quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. In quadratic equation, highest power of x is 2. Therefore, solution of x will have at most 2 values. Most 2 values means cannot have more than 2 roots. क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन वर्ग समीकरण यामध्ये x चा हायेस्ट पॉवर 2 असतो. जेवढा हायेस्ट पॉवर असेल आपल्या इक्वेशन मध्ये एकाच व्हेरिएबल मधल्या तेवढ्या x च्या व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला इथे असतात. त्यामुळे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये हायेस्ट पॉवर 2 असतो. जनरल फॉर्म याचा ax² + bx + c असतो. त्यामुळे x च्या 2 रूट्स पेक्षा जास्त व्हॅल्यू असणार नाहीत. त्यामुळे हे सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट आहे. याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू कॅपिटल T आहे. Therefore we have to write here, given sentence is a statement. Given sentence is a statement, comma, which is true. Therefore its truth value is capital T. This is solution of 8th example. Now 9th example. Do you like mathematics? This is question mark is here. Therefore this is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Therefore this is not a statement. We know that imperative sentence, interrogative sentence, these are not considered as statement. Therefore given sentence is an interrogative. Given sentence is an interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Therefore it is not statement. Given sentence is an interrogative sentence, therefore it is not statement. No, there is spelling mistake. Interrogative sentence, therefore it is not a statement. This is solution of 9th example. Now 10th example solution. Sun sets in the west. Sun sets in the west. Now this is our universal truth. Therefore this is always true. Therefore given sentence is a statement which is true. Therefore its truth value is capital T. This is solution of 10th number example. This way you can write the solution. Now we will see next 5 example. Now we will see last 5 examples in first type. Now here 11 number example. In 11 number example, here sentence is all real numbers are whole numbers. We know that all real numbers are not whole numbers. Some real numbers which are only natural numbers are integers, positive integers, then that numbers are only whole numbers. Whole numbers start from 1, 2, 3, 4. These are whole numbers. There is no decimal sign. And some real numbers are having decimal points 1.5, 1.7, like this. Therefore this sentence is wrong. Because all real numbers are not whole numbers. Some are real numbers are whole numbers, but all real numbers are not whole numbers. Therefore given sentence is a statement. Given sentence is a statement which is false. Therefore its truth value is capital F. This is solution of 11th example. Now we will see the solution of 12th sentence. Can you speak in Marathi? Question mark is here. Therefore this is an interrogative sentence. Therefore this is not a statement. Means given sentence is, which sentence? 12 number sentence is an interrogative sentence. This is an interrogative sentence. Therefore it is not a statement. Therefore it is not a statement. This is solution of 12th sentence. Now 13 number sentence, we will see solution. Here is quadratic equation x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 when x equal to 7. If only this quadratic equation is given, then this will be an open sentence. Because particular value for this quadratic equation is given. Therefore this is a sentence. This sentence is a statement. For this particular value. But now we have to consider this is true or false. For considering true or false, we have to substitute value of x equal to 7. याची ट्रूथ किंवा फॉल्सिटी चेक करण्यासाठी ही x ची व्हॅल्यू लेफ्ट साइडला आपल्याला सबस्टिट्यूट करावं लागेल. हे सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट आहे, पण पर्टिक्युलर व्हॅल्यूमुळे जर पर्टिक्युलर व्हॅल्यू दिली नसती तर हे ओपन सेंटेन्स झालं असतं. पण पर्टिक्युलर व्हॅल्यू करता आपल्याला चेक करायचं की याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू ट्रू आहे का फॉल्स आहे. तर x ची व्हॅल्यू 7 ठेवली, तिथे किती येणार 49 मायनस 6 into 7 is 42 and minus 7. What will be left side? Minus 42 minus 7 means minus 49. 49 minus 49 equal to 0 means left side equal to right side. Therefore this statement is true for x equal to 7. So we have to write here given sentence is a statement. Given sentence is a statement, comma, which is true. Therefore its truth value is capital T. Means x square minus 6x minus 7 equal to 0 when x equal to 7 is this sentence is statement which is true and its truth value is capital T. This is solution of 13 number example. Now we'll see next 14 number. Sum of cube roots of unity is 0. Sum of cube roots of unity is denoted by omega square comma omega comma 1. These are cube roots of unity, and we know that one result we have proved sum of cube roots of unity means 1 plus omega square is 0. This is statement in terms of words, that is sum of cube roots of unity is 0. Therefore this sentence is statement which is true, its truth value is capital. So we have to write 14 number solution as given sentence is a statement, comma, which is true, therefore its truth value is capital T. Now we'll see last solution of first type. It rains heavily. this is an open sentence because when rains heavily, we cannot say depending upon the day we can see it is heavily or not. Therefore given sentence is an open sentence. Therefore it is not a statement. Therefore it is not a statement. Like this we can easily solve the 15 sentences. या पद्धतीने 15 एक्झाम्पल आपण सॉल्व करू शकतो. या 15 एक्झाम्पल मध्ये आपण प्रत्येक सेंटेन्स हे स्टेटमेंट आहे का नाही हे चेक केलेलं आहे. जर सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट असेल तर त्याची ट्रूथ व्हॅल्यू आहे आणि नसलं तर त्याचं रिझन आपण तिथं मेन्शन केलेलं आहे. यामध्ये इम्पेरेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स, इंट्रोगेटिव्ह सेंटेन्स असे आपण सेंटेन्स स्टेटमेंट घेतलेले नाहीत. ओपन सेंटेन्स सुद्धा स्टेटमेंट घेतलेले नाहीत. बाकी सगळे आपण स्टेटमेंट घेऊन त्याची ट्रूथ आणि फॉल्सिटी आपण कन्सिडर केली.